The Rockville Punisher 10D2 Subwoofer offers a formidable 5,000-watt peak power and 1,250-watt RMS, ensuring competition-level bass that is both powerful and precise. It is engineered with durability in mind, featuring an ultra-stiff non-pressed paper cone, a robust foam surround, and a polypropylene dust cap for enhanced strength and reliability. An advanced cooling design incorporates an oversized aluminum heatsink ring and a vented T-yoke to effectively dissipate heat, while the 3-inch 4-layer voice coil can withstand temperatures up to 250 degrees Celsius. Thanks to its double-stacked 246-ounce magnet and extra-thick T-yoke, this subwoofer delivers a controlled and distortion-free performance even at extreme sound pressure levels. The subwoofer's dual 2-ohm voice coils and 6.69-inch mounting depth allow for flexibility in installation, making it suitable for both sealed and ported enclosures in custom car audio setups. Rockville's attention to detail in both design and construction makes the Punisher 10D2 a solid choice for those seeking high-quality bass performance in their car audio systems.